PDFgear, now available on Android. Best free PDF editor. Nowadays, most PDF editors require expensive subscription options while offering some of the basic editing features only. Free tools come with many drawbacks and waste time while providing limited features, which blast users with ads, watermarks, poor interfaces, and all locked behind the paywalls. PDFgear is a free cross-platform compatible application with its availability in Windows, Mac OS, and iOS, and is now also available for Android. There are no page limits, watermarks, ads, or any type of in-app purchases. It's a completely free application, making it stand out among competitors and cater to the increasing demand. The application comes with a clean, organized, and intuitive interface that's tailored to small screens. It delivers quickly and efficiently, even with large files. Its user-friendly design collects feedback from users daily and keeps updating to fix the problems that users frequently use. It effortlessly allows users to read and edit text and images. It also offers users merge, split, or extraction of specific page options, all available at the disposal of users. It provides users with the power to convert their PDFs to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or images, and vice versa. It also offers file compression to reduce the file size, page management options such as adding, deleting, rotating, or reordering the pages entirely. It allows users to create single or multiple PDFs directly from their camera. The AI assistant can summarize, rewrite, or translate the following PDF. All of these essential editing tools are provided in one single free application with easy accessibility.